So why add more vinegar? So the vinegar is going to balance off with the sugars and the acidity in the tomatoes. So we're going to cook that for quite a time. So some chopped shallots. You could use onion. It up. I actually quite like it chunky. It just sort of depends what you're using it for. I'm going to leave it chunky. So just going to stir that through. Lovely. Flour and the fryer. Like charred. If you hold my hand like that, you can't see through to my hand. With the tomatoes here, I've just sliced them, marinated them in salt, pepper, olive oil and parsley. I've got some spinach that I've just washed, and then we've got our carrots and cucumber sauce. So we've got tomato sauce on the bottom. Yeah, put some zucchini. So we've got zucchini, to now sauce some of that cheese sauce and moisture for cooking these spinach pasta. So carrots and cucumber. One of my guests tonight on the meal deliveries doesn't eat mushrooms, so I've purposely done it without mushrooms. So now we're going to go with our marinated tomatoes, and they start to cook down and create your own sauce. Just help that. Pasta again. Pasta. It is quite thick now. Sauce. Nice to have a little layer of olive oil. Okay, so just moving that one over. Black pepper. See ya. So it's baked for 44 minutes. Nice and glazed on the top. Just going to let that cool down for 10 minutes. Ooh, yeah, many layers. That's looking. Look at that, there on the other side. You can see all the layers there. And that's our vegetarian lasagna. Nice. Okay, can't go wrong with lasagna really. Honestly, so nice. Ready, lid over the top. We're ready for delivery. We're going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.